Hello everyone, welcome to Dear Denise Kitchen. If you're new here, please do subscribe and join the family. If you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say thank you for your support. We appreciate it all. Okay, today what are we doing? I'm sorry, but you might hear some noise in the background. That's just the washing machine going, but we're not stopping, we're continuing. This got to happen. So we've got a new addition to the family of gadgets in the kitchen, and that is the air fryer. Now, these days, everywhere on social media, the air fryer. Well, I love gadgets. I love kitchen aids. I love cooking aids, and I don't have an air fryer. So I thought I'd get one and get some recipes going with it. So I just want to introduce you to the air fryer. It's not open yet, so let's get opening. That's what this is about, introducing you to the air fryer. It's not a review, it's just an unboxing. So let's get going. Okay, so let's cut that open. This is everything. So this is it. Let's go ahead and I think it's got this on there, this sticky stuff. Put that here. And put that there. And there we go. Got this and that. I think this is the inside. This is how big it looks, and the functions on there. Yeah, I'm tempted to plug it in and show you, but I don't think that's necessary. Or let's see. Oh. Let's put these in there. Okay, so now it's coming on. That's the plugless. Oh, okay. So these are the functions on it. And yeah, so this is my air fryer, and I'll turn that off. And then we'll put that to the side. I don't think there's any manual on it. Oh, okay. There's really nothing else in there. I think we just have, it comes with this manual. Yeah, so it just comes with something to register it, and then all these manuals which Oh, and a recipe book. So you can literally make all of these things in there. So we might try some, why not? And yeah, so that's the manual, and that's all that it comes with. And for me, the attraction was let's have a look. I'll show you on the box. Yeah, the attraction was the dehydrate mode. I was really like, because I've always wanted a dehydrator, and I don't want to fill my kitchen with so many gadgets. Yes, I love gadgets, but there's got to be a line somewhere. So I'm happy that this has a dehydrator, which is going to come in really handy with some things. So basically this is all that it comes with, which is what is in here. Let's open it again, which is this and that. Yeah. Oh, and all this is from Costco, in case you want one. Yeah, got it from Costco. And so guys, this is the end of the unboxing, just quick and short. So this is going to take a pride place here with the rest of my kitchen aid or my cooking aid. And one of these days I'll do a video where you can see what is on all this craziness going on in my background, but it's all organized chaos. So yeah, thank you very much for staying with me to the end of the video. I appreciate you, and keep coming back for more. We will have a lot of recipes on this channel. I keep saying it, but I've been a little bit busy, but I mean, that's no excuse. Soon you see a lot of videos going out. So thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you all. Bye for now.